Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, #Get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you can get paid to answer questions without no surveys. Now, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please give me a like. It's going to help out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Please, guys, watch this video all the way through. That's all I ask for you guys, just to watch it all the way through, because you need to know the full method if you want to make as much money as you can answering questions. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at this website. I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute, but all you're going to do on this website is answer questions, and you're going to get paid for them. And so if you have any type of knowledge or expertise in a certain field, here are the fields right here that you can pick and be able to give your opinion or answer questions on. Tax finance, lawyers, mechanics, nurses and doctors, vets, electricians and plumbers, electronics and phones, computer software, and many, many more. So once you come to this website, you're going to go down here and you're going to click where it says become an expert. And it's going to take you to this page. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you the name of this website. The name of this website is Just Answer. So once you get to this page here, you're going to go ahead and apply to become an expert. Just put your name, email, phone number, and choose your specialty. So like I said before, it's a lot of categories that you could pick from, and they got more in detail on these categories right here when you choose a category. So they have boat, cars, computer, consumer electronics, engineering, finance, general, heavy equipment, home improvement, homework, law, medical, pet, veterinary, and wellness. So you just pick any of those that are your expertise, and you'll click on next right here, take you to the next page, which will you be already logged in and ready to go. So it says on this page, earn cash by sharing your expertise online. An expert on Just Answer, work when you want by helping people with their questions in your specialty. So as you can see, this is a reputable company. It's backed by CNN, NBC, and Fox have said good things about this website. And this is how it works. So make money doing what you love. Leverage your professional expertise to answer people's questions and earn cash. Work anywhere, any time online. All you need is an internet connection and a computer or a smartphone. Work as much as you want. Set your hours and choose the questions you want to answer. So you get to choose any time that you would like to work, and you get to choose any questions that you want to answer. So let's just scroll down here. It says the application process. There are no sign-up fees, like I said before. After the easy application process, we'll guide you every step of the way, making it easy for you to help customers and earn cash. So as soon as you sign up, like I said before, you just jump into it and start answering questions. So they do have some steps on here, some other steps you have to take once you fill out the application. So you'll need a social security number, valid identification, and background check. We work with a third-party verification firm to check your credentials. So they are going to do a background check. And then after that, you start making money. So once you've been admitted, we'll give you tools you need to start answering questions and earning cash. And right here, you can read some of the what some of the experts are saying on here. And here's some frequently asked questions right here. Now let's just go ahead and read one and see. The one that's very, very important to you guys is, how will I get paid? Say Just Answer pays experts every month via PayPal. So this is a website where you're going to get paid every month, but as the month go by and as you do as you answer multiple questions, you're going to accumulate a lot of money from doing this. So that's all I'm going to say about this website here. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making money answering questions, go ahead and go to justanswer.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start getting paid to answer questions. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 50 likes. It will really help out my channel and my video. If I can just get 50 likes, that's all I ask. And please drop a comment if you have any questions about what I've talked about today. And don't forget to type #GetYourGrind on so you won't miss a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can. It's time, it's 2020, it's a lot going on in the world, and it's time to make this money and become your own boss, guys. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thanks again for tuning in, watching my videos. Please keep supporting me, and I will definitely keep bringing you this important and good content to you guys. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.